In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your profit and loss on Binance step by step. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to track your performance or you're just starting out and want a clear picture of your financial standing, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know quickly and confidently. First, open your Binance app on your phone and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're on a secure network to keep all your financial data safe. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Assets button. This will take you to a full overview of your balances and trading activity, giving you a snapshot of your current financial position on Binance. Next, tap on the Overview option. This is your dashboard where you can see all your balances and trading activity at a glance. Sometimes, for privacy reasons, your balances might be hidden. To make them visible, simply tap the small eye icon and your balances will appear. This ensures you have a clear view of how your funds are distributed across the platform. To get more specific details about your profit and loss, you'll want to explore sections like Earn, Spot, or Futures. Depending on where you've been trading, tap on the section that applies to you. This will help you understand which areas are contributing to your gains and which might need adjustment. Once you've chosen a section, tap on P&L Analysis and Trade History. Here, you'll see a detailed breakdown of all your trades, including realized and unrealized profit and loss, your win rate, and transaction fees. These metrics are extremely useful to track your performance over time and make smarter trading decisions. To make the process smoother, make sure your app is updated and you have a stable internet connection. Doing this beforehand ensures all your data loads correctly and prevents any delays. Once you've reviewed your P&L, you can make informed decisions for future trades and adjust your strategy accordingly. It's also a good idea to check this regularly to stay on top of your financial health and trading progress. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to check your profit and loss on Binance easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helps you out, feel free to share it with others who want to understand futures trading. Why not make someone's trading journey a little easier?